Alright, so I wasn't going to record this because I wasn't sure how much I was going to do, but we are currently destroying the drift car. We took the speakers out back here, put in the rear brace bar, and then that is the interior. That's the roof of the car. Some more parts right here. But yeah, we have a mess in here. This ain't really a how-to video, it's just a how to destroy a drift car. Actually a perfectly good car and make it a drift car. But I'm gonna show you some odds and ends. Kind of just find bolts, find what comes down, what don't come down, and then just keep ripping. That's what we've been doing, we've just been ripping. Alright, so I don't know how well you can see, but yeah, we're gonna get this headliner out.
Should I pull it to the trunk?
No, we'll go right out the driver door. This is how to take your headliner out of your E46. Yeah, alright, hold on, we're stuck.
We're off.
Alright. And just like that, she's out. So, I mean, pretty easy.
Yeah, you cut some wires.
Yeah, they cut some wires, maybe a wire here or there. Look at that. Man, let's find where that one's coming from.
What is that for?
Yep. So, sensor or something.
Oh, you don't even know. You're just.
Well,
We're just gonna cut.
yeah, we just cut. Oh, it lost me. Hello. Over here. We're over here.
Let's focus on what you're doing.
There we go. Alright. Yep, this one's out. And then, what was this? Do you remember what this was?
For your light.
No, I think that was,
Yeah, for your. Those things.
yeah. Yeah, that's what that was for.
Do you really need that?
You don't want
How do we use them?
them?
Do you put it down when you're drifting?
You don't want these?
I don't need it.
Alright, no sun visors. Oh, I got my sun visor right here. Yeah, we don't need those. Look at us go.
You think?
I don't know. I guess I gotta check the website, but we're debating on whether or not we take these airbags out.
I say no, but.
Yeah, I think the airbags are coming out.
Okay.
We'll figure it out.
These guys.
Yeah, those gotta come off. Look at this. Here we go. We'll show you the right way to take these trim pieces off. Nope, they got bolts underneath them. God. All right, here we go.
You know, I could just record it while you're doing that.
Oh, you could. Yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, and then it's I don't know, looks like a T15 maybe. Smaller than one I got out here. Oh, these are a T20. I guess you repeat it on both sides. What are you laughing at?
You.
What? You know, having a tool getter is pretty nice, but you gotta set them on like 4 or 5 trips before they get the right thing. Let's see, here we go. Is that the right one? There you go. Yeah, that'll work.
Can you say
Nope, that's not it. It's on top.
I did grab it on top.
Holy smokes.
Hold on, he told me was not right. That one. Was it right?
Yeah, that's right.
Fucking shit. You say how many times she gonna bring out the wrong tool?
Yep.
Only twice.
You don't need that. It's alright, it just comes out.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Perfect. Now what are you? Anybody know what this thing does? I think it's gonna get snipped. Guess I want to take it out too. You can cut it.
Anything else?
Yeah, they're coming.
Okay. Didn't do it.
It didn't turn fast enough. Ready?
It's not doing it.
Come my way.
Pull it.
Alright.
There's it again.
Where are you going?
I say just cut.
Yep, we're cutting it. Oh, Joker.
Do you know
One
what
of
that
these-
was?
One of these I gotta keep. One of these over here I gotta keep.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
One of these is my sunroof. I think
Where'd that button go?
it's this one. Oh yeah, that's the sunroof one.
You're just gonna have it hang.
That one's staying. This one going. Oop. She's sparking. What's this? Do you know what this does?
Are you asking me?
Look at this. This is what I like to call weight reduction. If you don't know what it does, then you don't need it. What's this? Don't know, but just answer my question. Ooh, that's tightening. Don't lose the screws, or do. What's that one? Oh. Okay.
I'm just waiting for it to look you in the face.
There we go. We're just gonna have to break this now. Let's see. Just keep breaking. It's a drift car.
Oh, muscle.
Look at that, perfect. Weight reduction. Oh, Got ourselves a yellow wire here.
Oh, we're just pulling it.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty.
Gotta know by now. Huh. I want to take this off. Another drill. Perfect. Look at all this. This has got to be like a good 5 pounds here we're getting out. Look at that. Some sound debt.
You're taking the rubber off too.
Yeah, I think the sound debt's gonna go.
Oh, okay.
Alright, for now, I wish I had a knife on me, that'd be pretty cool. Ooh, that's nasty. Not a sponge. She's great.
You got a helper?
Oh, yeah.
Ripping everything out, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Ugh. Let me get a vacuum in here. Okay. Oops.
You just punched yourself.
There's one. There's two. There's three. Now we need it 8 mil to take these speakers off. There's one in the back that I can't get to. Can you give me an 8mm? No more music. One.
Music don't make you go faster.
Nope. Okay. And there's two. Nasty. Okay.
There you go.
How are you stuck?
Got it.
Oh. on the yellow wire. There we go. Look at that. Weight reduction.
Ow!
Oops. Get rid of all this nasty stuff. Oh. So to take these rear seatbelts out, you need a E46. I don't think it is exactly the right size, but it works. Ooh, that hurt. And watch your elbows. Yeah, just like that, and then the rest of the sound deadening can come out. So this is everything that came out. Still a bunch of stuff in here, but let's see. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think soon I'm going to be cracking into the WRX motor and pretty much just doing a couple tests on it, compression tests. Then I'm going to rip it apart, and I think we're sending out the heads to get resurfaced. Then we are doing, head studs. Head studs, head gaskets, and then probably the rest of the gaskets just around the motor. And then that project's going to start. That's going to be a fun project. But yeah, I guess we'll have to see pretty much how that goes. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one.